Okay, so our very first process was to hit the website and get the data. Okay, how to do that first process? So here I have a live example. We will be scraping the data from Yahoo Finance. And what data we will be extracting? If you guys have a Python notebook, please open it. Jupyter notebook. Please open it. We will be doing parallelly. Okay. Please, it's a request from all of you guys. Please open your Jupyter notebook and a web browser. Okay. And I need you guys to install these two packages in your Jupyter notebook. One is request, other is BS4. Okay, please install these two packages in your Python notebook. If anyone is having trouble, please ping me. uh, like Anaconda prompt, you can open Anaconda prompt and type in Anaconda prompt pip install BS4. And pip install request. Okay, so here is the website. You open your web browser, you all type finance.yahoo. You will land on this page. Let me know if you got this page. Here you type double SE in the search box. Okay, and on this first one you click this web page. Here you can see this is what Shanghai Stock Exchange. Okay, this is the stock price on which all they are trading. This is the live data. And suppose my requirement is to get the historical stock data of this Shanghai Stock Exchange. Okay, from this website. Click on this historical showing you. Then I want historical data to do some data analysis. So if you guys know, on my every click that URL is getting changed on the top of this URL. If I want to do historical analysis of this stock data, I will go on this historical data. I will get these tables. Okay, this is the historical data on this day. It was opened at this, high as this, low as this, closed at this, adjusted close was this. Okay, volume of the trading they have done is this amount. Okay, so I want to do analysis on this. I want to predict what will be the tomorrow's stock, if it will go high or it will go low from today. Like next week I want to predict if it will be high or low. Okay, so for that I need this historical data on which I'll be training my model. I want to scrap this data. URL of this is this. Okay. Now I will do right click and go on inspect element. This last one, inspect. On the table you have to click. Don't press here and there. On top of this table, you do right click. Okay. And go in inspect. Our goal is to find this table, name of this table. What is this table? Okay. Then what we will do, we'll extract the data from here, from our coding. Okay. You click something, this might be opened. Now you go and press here, this icon. Select an element in the page to inspect it. You press this one. Okay. After pressing on this one, go to that table. Press on the table. Yeah, I'm waiting. I will repeat this process multiple times. You need not to worry. Tell me, should I repeat once? Okay, wait. I'm repeating this process. Okay, you must have been landed in this page. Scroll it. This data I want, historical data. Right click on it. Go on inspect. Press inspect element. This page will open this your coding of this page. Okay. Go and press this select an element in the page to inspect. Press on it. Okay. Now this is a table. I will go and this hover over this table. See, I will select this table. What it is giving me here is the table name. You can see here it is table.w 100%.m0. This is the table in which this data I want to extract. Got it? Got the table class. This is the class actually, class name. If you'll open in Firefox, you can clearly see, yeah, if someone will open in Firefox, you will clearly see table class, it will return here. Class name. This is the table and class name. This is the name of the table. I want to extract data of this table. Okay. So let's begin. Open your Jupyter notebook. Sorry, this is problem. Open your Jupyter notebook. Start importing these libraries. So now here comes how to get the data. Okay, this is the URL of the website where the data is. Okay, so we will create a URL, variable URL. You create a string like this, give it a name as a URL. Okay, and send a request to the servers, request.get this URL, and store it in another variable named as a response. All got this data. Okay, you need to import this library. Okay, please import all these library, and you create a URL. URL. Uh, this is the website URL which we have opened. This URL. Arey yaar, why it's not this page URL where the data is there. This URL I've just copied and pasted it in my. Okay, so this is the URL. I want to get data from this page. Okay, so I will send it in request is a library which will get the data for you from that URL. Okay, get dot URL you have declared here. Okay, so we have the data now. Now you type response dot content. You can see the entire web page has come in our Jupyter notebook. Response dot content. You can see the web page content here. This is the content from the web page. Now we have to parse this. This is done. First part is done of a crawler, which we discussed to extract the data. Sorry, download the contents. Downloading is done. Now we have to extract the data.